Welcome to my channel. I just want to speak to you about the Paytm IPO as to why the IPO had such a great fall. How did a $1 billion Paytm IPO had a great fall? So this was a very big IPO, and it was founded about 11 years ago. So also had various products it also has a various products like Paytm Mall, Paytm Bank, Paytm Money, and PayPay. So when it started look very promising, I was very much impressed by the way Paytm company started. I was very much impressed with the way the startup looked like. I was very much so I was and everywhere we used to I used to hear about how the how it was started, and it was a great success story, and it was growing by leaps and bounds. Then suddenly what happened was I saw round about in 2018 or 2017 or 2019 or so, 2 or 3 years back, I started seeing such some changes in the Paytm, the way they were handling things actually. So usually before, when they started they were offering cash rewards to customers, and when they were offering cash rewards to customers, it was growing leaps and bounds, and they were making a good name for themselves. Okay. Then suddenly what happened was they stopped giving cash rewards, and started a point system. Whenever a customer makes a payment through Paytm app, they started giving point system. Okay, and they stopped at cash rewards, and previously they used to give a lot of cash rewards. So what happened was that was a major turning point in the Paytm organization. Actually, it was a major turning point, and I think that this created a major hole in the Paytm. So the management I believe that management tried to curb the expenditure. They tried to change the model as to how the company was working. They didn't want to offer so much cash rewards, but what they did was they created a negative impression with the customers. So until then they were doing great, but then this was the biggest company. It had a very promising future, and I thought like, okay, this is a very big offering. And I also heard that they were it was going like the each share price was going at 26,000 and gray market. That's what I heard. But then mm, suddenly what happened was when they offer or stop offering cash rewards, I felt that a company itself is a big exaggeration. That was the impression what they created. And when they stopped offering this cash rewards to customers, and what happened was they stopped cash rewards and they started with the point system. And whenever you make a purchase through Paytm app, they usually give you points. They give you points, and they ask you to uh, buy from a specific store, and they give you a discount. That kind of thing they started. So I don't want to get into more into that, but then the basic cash reward system what they had, they stopped. And I felt that created a major impact on a customer's mind, saying that it changed the customer's whole lookout on what Paytm is basically. So basically right after that, what happened was the company looked strong from the outside, but weak. It was weak on the inside. This is before the RBI news came out, and all that thing, RBI news that Paytm is connected with China or something like that. But then this was way before, in 2018 or something, they changed their policy of cash rewards. They did something to do with points and point system. And I tell you, they have the best app, and whenever you make the money payments and you do some transaction, the app is very good, and they have a very good system in place. And but the thing what they lack is support system. I think right from the top to the bottom, they lack that support system. They don't have that support system. So they need to have the support system. And but then it was too late, because the IPO came and it opened at 2000 per share. Then it came down to, now it's trending somewhere around 600 rupees. Okay. So you can guess like how great the fall is. So it's not about the company, the way the company's balance sheet or anything like that, but the kind of work what they were doing before they changed their policy. And I do not know as to how they came to do such a big mistake. Okay, they shouldn't have changed this policy, and they should have continued with the policy, and they would have I think Paytm company would be trending somewhere around 2500 or 3000. Okay, so that's what I felt, and this is my opinion, and I hope uh, I hope that different people have different opinions. So, but this is a major thing what I felt when they changed the policy, and even Google Pay, they changed the policy later on. They stopped offering much of cash rewards. Only Amazon is the only company which is offering cash rewards, and I do not know how long they will continue to do so. Okay, but Paytm is a very good company. The app is very good. I'm very happy and pleased with the way they work and all, and they are very good. Okay, but only thing, they lack a proper support system, and that's the reason why they had such a big issue with the IPO. Okay, I just want to end this right now. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on updating you with more information. Thank you.